Hi, I'm Scott Davis. I'm the used equipment inspector for Finning UK and Ireland, and today I'm going to be going through some of the key points that we look at when we're performing a used equipment inspection. So when we're starting the inspection, the first thing we look at is the serial number plate. This is a great starting point to make sure that you're looking at the right machine. You can get some details from that, such as the year of manufacture, and check whether the machine is CE plated. After that, we'd move on to taking our first initial walk round the machine. At this point, we're sort of noting down any spec items and general condition of the machine. We'll take note of any aftermarket additions the machine might have, such as hydraulic quick couplers, reverse cameras, additional beacons, handrails, etc. We then take note of any damage, leaks, or general issues with the machine before moving on to take a look at levels and anything that would stop us from actually starting and operating the machine. Following the initial walk round of familiarisation with the machine, we move up into the operator station. Here again, we're going to take note of the general condition and look for any damage or faults before turning the ignition on. Now we can have a look at the machine hours and if it has any active fault codes. Then it's time to start looking at the actual operation of the machine. Now we'll cycle through all the operations of the machine, checking every hydraulic function and every operation of the machine. We can then check for any wear in the linkages by applying pressure to the ground, on and off, and looking for movement in those bearings and bushings. Next we move on to looking at the undercarriage. During the inspection, we take measurements from every undercarriage component so that it gives us a comprehensive view of the remaining life in the undercarriage. During the undercarriage inspection, we'll take measurements from the pins and bushes using the ultrasonic measuring group. We'll also use this to take accurate measurements of the bottom rollers, track pads, and idlers. For wheeled machines, we'll do a full tyre report and work out the percentage of tread remaining. It's important to take note of any attachments that are going to come with the machine. So we're looking at buckets and their condition, looking at the ground engaging tools, condition of teeth and cutting edges. On bladed machines such as dozers or the 308 behind me, we'll be looking at the condition of the face of the blade and any wear there. As part of the inspection process, we always take a full product status report download from the machine. This gives us all the information stored on the ECMs, including any logged or active fault codes. This, coupled with looking at the machine's service history and any oil sample history, gives us a full background view of the condition of the machine. Once the inspection is complete, we take all that information along with the machine service history and a look at the oil sampling history to create a full comprehensive report to give a full overview of the condition of that machine. This can then give the customer full confidence in the used machine that they are buying from Finning UK and Ireland.